Welcome to my CS50 Web Network project. This is a social network where users can post, follow others, and like posts. Let's explore the features. To use the platform, users can register for an account. Let's create a new user. After registering, the navigation bar updates with options for logged-in users. Now let's log out and log back in. Logged-in users can create new posts. Let's write a post and share it. As you can see, the post appears instantly in the All Posts section. The All Posts section displays every post on the platform. Each post shows the username, content, time, and the number of likes. The newest post appears at the top. Clicking on a username takes you to their profile page. Here you can see their followers, the people they follow, and all of their posts in reverse chronological order. You can also follow or unfollow them. The following sections shows posts only from users you follow. This allows you to focus on content from people you are interested in. Posts are displayed 10 per page. You can navigate between pages using the Next and Previous buttons. Users can edit their own posts. Once saved, the updated content appears instantly without refreshing the page. You can like a post by clicking the like button. The like count updates instantly. You can also unlike a post if you change your mind. This project showcases a social network platform with features like posting, following, liking, editing, and pagination. Thank you for watching.